Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I have a Temu haul for you guys. I will have the links listed down below. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you've never shopped with Temu before, if you've never downloaded the app, you can get $100 worth of free items. And then I think that there's something for people who reinstall the app. So make sure you guys check out all the information. It will be listed down below. I also have a Temu playlist, and I have a storefront where I link a lot of stuff that I've been hauling lately, so you guys check that out. Okay, this is the first time that it's come in like another package like this. Let's see. Oh, these are so cute. I had to have these, and I told myself that I'm not getting any more Easter stuff after this, so let's see how that goes. Let me open. I like that they're individually wrapped. So that's cool. And they are just some cute little bunnies. Look at how cute, guys. So I got this, like, you know, just to, like, if I'm making a shadow box or something like that, I have these cute little figures that I can stick onto a project. Look at how cute, you guys. Here, let me lay them down. I don't know if you can see them well. Well, I'll show them all together in a minute. But this is a 4-piece set. And I think I ordered 2 of these. It was a decent price. Look at this one. Oh, she's so pretty. They're so cute, guys. They have the cutest little pink details, like blush. And then here is the 4th one. She's like sleeping. Her eyes are closed. So cute. I don't know if you can see the details, but these are textured. Look at the little bunny tail. So cute. Here, let's see if we can get them all together. They are adorable, guys. Very happy with this find. Look at how cute. So cute. Okay, so I picked up that. I picked up these beads. These were super affordable. I think they were like, don't even quote me on it, I want to say $3. And you get a lot in here, guys. These are like, they look like they're crystallized. They're so beautiful. And there's a ton in here. I will have the links listed down below. You guys click on the links because you can always get these in different colors, different color options. And I picked up this. I don't even remember what I got, guys. Pretty sure this comes in different colors. This is the pink color, and it's just this really cute elastic trim, and it's got like a different texture on the bottom that I liked. So I grabbed that. Okay. I picked up some of this, and I think I have several of these. I think I picked up like 3. You get 2 yards in a pack, and it's this beautiful, oh, it's really wide. I didn't even pay attention to that. But some beautiful iridescent trim that you can create bows with or whatever. So pretty, guys. So they had this in several colors. I grabbed the pink. Yes, this is the pink, light pink. Okay, so they probably have a darker pink. This is the light. Guys, I love ordering trims from Temu, from anywhere really. Yeah, so I grabbed 3 of those, and I grabbed 2 of the other one. Let me just get everything out of here. I grabbed some of this trim, and it is a little smaller than the one that I hauled last time. The other one, though, did come in 10 yards. You get 10 yards of the big roll. This is a smaller ribbon, and it's beautiful. So I've been trying to like stock up on my yellows. because you know I already have so much pink. So I grabbed that. I had to grab this cute little die set, and it's so teeny tiny. Oh my god, I love it. All my other little frame dies, guys, if you haven't noticed, I have an obsession with frame dies. I'm gonna have to collect them all. Look at how cute these are. These are gonna measure 1 1/4 by 1 3/4 of an inch for the rectangular one. And then the oval one is measuring 1 1/4 by, yeah, the same size. So cute, guys. And then you get these cute little flowers that you can layer up. Like here's the base, and then you can layer these, and here's the base, you can layer that one. So I'm super happy with this one. I love the size. And I picked up this one. I've been waiting for this to come in, you guys. There's actually a new set from another place that I wanted to grab, but I was like, no, because I had this coming in the mail. So I didn't grab it. And guys, if you know me, you know I love Polaroids. And so this is a bunch of different Polaroid sizes. I love that it has a teeny tiny one. And you can emboss all these things. It says enjoy, story, Christmas, smile, just for you, Christmas. Is there 2 Christmas? Did I say Christmas twice? Xmas, bright and merry. And then it's got all the different Polaroids. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even this teeny tiny one, 7. And then all the squares so you can layer it up. You know what I mean? Put a background to it. So I'm super happy with this find. This is so cute. And there's actually like a little heart. So I'm gonna have to take these apart and have some fun with these. I haven't made any Polaroid anything in a long time. So I'm happy with that one. Okay. I picked up another, I think this is an older die. I remember having it in my cart a long time ago. But it's another frame die. Look at how pretty, guys. Oh my god, so pretty. And it's got this cute little flower. It's so tiny that you can layer. I love this. I'm so happy with these frame dies, guys. They've really been doing their big one with the frame dies. Okay. The next set. I'm trying to make room. I believe this is another set of the bunnies. Yeah. So I ordered 2 sets of the bunnies. I picked up this pendant set. And this is perfect, you guys, for when you want to create a like banner with felt or something, and you're gonna put like a stick or a straw. It has a space here for you to fold it over. And I wanted it because it has so many cute like stitching details. Look at this, guys. There's like a little cupcake. Look at the stick. Oh my god, that's so cute with the bow. I'm trying to see, where does that go to? The present. It's a gift. You can make a little gift. There's all these circles where you can probably do like a polka dot type of thing. This is so cute, guys. And it's a great size. Like, let me just measure the pendant part. 1, 2, 3. 3 3/4 of an inch. So I've got to make some of these. I have to. And this is cute because you can cut this out of a bunch of different colors and make it like a rainbow or, you know, black and red or whatever type of theme, color scheme. So this is cute. All right, next I picked up another frame set. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. When I like something, I just kind of go crazy with it. I'm trying to see where to open this. I can't tell. Okay. Where's the opening? It's like I see it, but I don't feel it. Alright, I hate to break this, but I'm gonna have to. Like, I hate to rip this. I like keeping it in its original packaging. There we go. That's weird. Okay. This is a really cute little bow circular die. And it doesn't have the like back piece, but you can always, you know, we have punches and we have all type of circle dies that you can go ahead and mount on the back, or you can just simply glue it. This is gonna create a frame, and it's a stitched frame. So I love this. I thought it was different, so I grabbed that. Look at my little frame dies. I'm so obsessed. Okay. And then last but definitely not least, I grabbed these beautiful butterflies. Look at how pretty they are. And you get a ton. As you can see, this is the pink color. They had several different colors. Oh, they're not beads. I thought they were beads, guys. These are actually just like, you know, you can glue them on. But they're beautiful. Look at how pretty they are. Gorgeous. All right, so that's it for the haul. I didn't grab many things. Usually when I jump on Temu, I spend like $20. So yeah, I'm really happy with everything that I found, guys. Let me know down below what you guys think about these finds. You have to grab these frames. Oh my God, they're so pretty. And these beads. And oh my God, everything's so cute. So that's it for this haul. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everyone.